welcome to the Explainer. Okay, so the AI revolution. It's not coming, it's already here, and it is set to completely reshape our economy. So today, we're going to break down exactly how you can AI-proof your portfolio for this massive shift. Let's get right into it.
Let's kick things off with a pretty serious warning from Dario Amodei, the CEO of the AI company behind Claude. He thinks AI could literally wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs. I mean, think about that. This isn't some far-off sci-fi movie plot. This is a potential reality that could hit your career and for sure your investments like a ton of bricks.
So that leads to a huge question for every single one of us, right? Because as AI gets smarter and smarter, it's not just going to be about jobs anymore. We're talking about entire industries getting turned upside down. And that means some of the stocks you're holding right now could be in real trouble if they can't keep up.
All right, so here's the game plan for today. We'll start by really understanding the disruption. Then we'll dive into 4 key investment themes, from defensive plays to offensive ones. And then we'll wrap it all up by talking about what this means for your financial future.
First up, let's talk about the AI job disruption. To really get a handle on where the investment opportunities are, we first have to wrap our heads around the sheer scale of the change that's happening to, work and wealth as we know it. The thing that's really wild about this whole thing is the speed. It's just happening so fast. Think about it. The Industrial Revolution took decades to play out. This AI boom, it's happening at an absolutely exponential pace. So adapting fast isn't just a nice-to-have anymore. It's pretty much essential for your financial survival.
Okay, so how do we protect ourselves? How do we build a solid defensive strategy for our portfolios? Let's dive into our first AI-proof sector. Good old-fashioned physical space.
And this right here, this is a fundamental truth. It doesn't matter how smart AI gets. At the end of the day, people still need a place to sleep, they need a place to eat, and even AI itself needs a place to store all its data. And boom, that's our first big investment opportunity.
So we can actually break this down into 3 main buckets. First, you've got residential stuff, housing, storage, because, well, people always need a place to live. Then you have experience-based real estate, like your favorite restaurants or shops. And finally, and this one's key, the tech infrastructure itself. We're talking about those massive data centers that are basically the physical homes for the AI revolution. All of these are tangible assets that AI needs, but can't just, create out of thin air.
All right, so from shelter, let's move on to another basic human need. Let's see how our appetites can create some really solid investment plays.
I mean, it's pretty simple, right? People have got to eat. And yeah, sure, maybe we'll have robot chefs flipping burgers, but what they can't do is replace that feeling of community, that social connection you get when you go out to eat, that whole third home vibe you get from a great coffee shop or restaurant.